Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. We are gonna work out today. You've been home, you haven't had a shower, you haven't brushed your teeth, you've just been a big disgrace and you've been lazy. But I'm gonna change that right now. Get up and do this dance workout with me. It's nothing complicated, it's only 3 exercises and you're gonna feel so proud of yourself once you're done. And don't forget to watch to the end to see the remix. Are you ready? Right, let's get into this. So the first exercise is just high knees, kick them up. This isn't about form, concentration, cohesion, commotulation. Just do the exercise, but just be safe. So we're gonna get into the squat position and do some squats. You've done really well. We're literally halfway through. And we're gonna do a slight variation by kicking one leg up. Okay, so this last exercise is just to hold a squat. I totally struggle to do this, but just hold it. Don't look at me, hold it. I am so struggling. Hold that squat like your life depends on it. Final few seconds. Well done. You've done really well. Well done. Clap for yourself. Pa. Poo. Now time for the remix. Ooh, what a move. Just dance with me. If you're moving and I'm moving and we're grooving, no time to be thinking about negative tits, no time to be walking about looking at other people. We are focused on ourselves. 2020 vision. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. You should be so proud of yourself for doing this workout, and I'll see you guys on my next video.